In today's lesson, we're going to answer the question, what is a pip in Forex? So pip stands for percentage in point, and it's the unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies. So you're going to see this every day in your Forex day trading, that the standard quote is to the fourth decimal place. So if this were dollars, instead of saying $1.12, you'll see that it goes out to the fourth decimal place, and that fourth decimal 9 is the pip. So in this particular scenario, the 9 is the pip. Now there's always an exception to the rule, and in this case the Japanese yen is the exception to the rule. So for the Japanese yen, they quote to the second decimal place. So in this example, the second decimal is 5, and so the 5 is the pip. So normally the pip is going to be in the fourth decimal place, but with the yen it's in the second decimal place. So the value of the quoted currency moves up or down in these small increments called pips. Alright, so let's take a look at an example where we lose 2 pips. So here we're at 9 and we go down to 7, so that's minus 2 pips. And if we looked at another example where the market goes up, we go from 1.209 to 1.1212, that's plus 3 pips. So many times brokers want to break it down even further, and you're going to hear about fractional pips or pipettes. And in this case, you'll see that a standard fractional pip or pipette is quoted to the 5th decimal place. And the Japanese yen, the fractional pip or pipette, is quoted to the 3rd decimal place. So now you know that standard currencies, you're going to find the pip in the 4th decimal place. And with the Japanese yen, it's going to be in the 2nd decimal place. And then if the broker wants to show you even more detail, you're going to have fractional pips or pipettes. And the standard fractional pip is going to be in the 5th decimal place. And for the Japanese yen, the fractional pip is going to be in the 3rd decimal place.